Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Our today's topic is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, it is it is calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. It is made up of calcium, oxygen, and chlorine. It's made of calcium, one oxygen, and two chlorine. So the chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. It is also known as lime, chloride of lime. Chloride of lime. Preparation. Bleaching powder, it is prepared by passing chlorine gas. It's chlorine gas kara pass over dry silicate lime. We get CaOCl2 plus H2O. H2O. Properties of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, it is a white powder. White powder which gives it a strong smell of chlorine. Strong smell of chlorine gas. ठीक. Second property, it is soluble in cold water. Soluble cold water means when bleaching powder is put in cold water, a small insoluble portion is left behind. That is the lime present in it. Third, bleaching powder, it reacts. React kara with dilute acids to liberate chlorine gas. And bleaching powder is treated with an X of an dilute acid, then all the chlorine present in it is liberated. It is liberated. For example, when bleaching powder is treated with an X of dilute sulfuric acid, then calcium sulfate CaSO4 plus Cl2 plus H2O is produced. The chlorine which is produced by the action of dilute acid on bleaching powder, it acts as a bleaching agent. Real bleaching agent present in the bleaching powder, that is the chlorine. Is the bleaching action of bleaching action of chlorine. It is due to its oxidizing property. Some colored substances, they turn colorless when they are oxidized by the chlorine of bleaching powder. So we can say that bleaching powder, it is an arrangement for storing chlorine. Now we will discuss uses of bleaching. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton. Bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. And for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. यह से इस्तेमाल करा किम खतर bleach cotton bleach करने खतर या linen in textile industry. यह से also used करा for bleaching pulp in wood industry or paper industry. It is also used for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. Second property, it is used for disinfecting drink water. You see, disinfection of drinking water, that is carried out by the bleaching powder. You see, disinfect you see drinking water that contains germs. When bleaching powder, it kills these germs, disinfecting drinking water supply. Then one is you see disinfection of drinking water. It is carried out by placing bleaching powder in it. By placing bleaching powder, what happens is chlorine kills, yes, kill kara, it kills the germs present in it, makes it free from germs, free from germs. This is all about. Basis karakun, it is used for the preparation of chloroform, for the preparation of chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform. Bleaching powder for making wood unshakable, used for making wool unshakable, unshakable. ठीक बेस इस्तेमाल गसान as an oxidizing agent, as an oxidizing agent in many industries, chemical industries.